Mabuhay Season Sai! I am Andrew Rudolph Consea, the Supreme Secondary Learner Government President of school year 2024 to 2025. I'll take this moment to look back, not just at the projects we accomplished, but at the memories and lessons we gained together. This year was filled with challenges we didn't expect, opportunities we bravely seized, and milestones we proudly reached. On behalf of the entire SSLG, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you. To our fellow students, thank you for your trust, support, and active participation. To our teachers, advisors, and school administration, thank you for your guidance and encouragement. And to our partners and stakeholders, thank you for believing in the potential of Season Sai learners. This year's achievements are not ours alone. They are a reflection of what we can accomplish when we work together, with strength and unity, and excellence and synergy, as one Season Sai family. Now join us as we revisit the highlights of our term. One of our flagship programs this year was Expo 24, a 3-day webinar series held in November in celebration of the National Children's Month. We tackled contemporary youth issues and connected them to sites through the insights of experts from different fields. Over 200 students shared their feedback, showing just how impactful these discussions were. We also launched our very own SSLG website, a platform where students could access SSLG papers, organizational updates, and the school's student-organized monthly activity calendar. This year, we successfully passed 4 resolutions, including the interim guidelines for classroom officer elections for school year 2024 to 2025, and began drafting the official code for classroom elections and officers. Through the help of our school administration, SPTA, and our students, our Gulayan sa Pakalan program bloomed once more. And with everyone's effort, we proudly placed 11 in the city's garden contest. In celebration of our school's founding anniversary, we made the 4-day intramurals and Family Day celebration bigger and better than ever, made possible by the collective effort of all clubs and organizations. And finally, in the spirit of giving, we held Sinagtala, uniting San Jose del Monte Heights High School and our own school to bring joy to the young students of San Jose del Monte Heights Elementary School during the Christmas season. Beyond our flagship programs, we carried out various projects to uplift our growing community. Through Gawad Season Sai highlights, we recognize 3 exceptional students for their achievements. We also brought back the idea of empowered student leaders through our Club Power Up program, where we restructured the coordinating council, including club presidents and the homeroom presidents. During Teachers Month, we dedicated meaningful tributes to show our appreciation for our hardworking educators. We launched a new SSLG bulletin board keeping students informed and updated. February became extra special through Love Fest, a week of club-led activities celebrating love in all forms. For Mental Health Month, we created campus-wide activities promoting mental health awareness and well-being. And in March, we honored Women's Month with activities advocating for women's rights and empowerment. I feel truly grateful and honored to have and had the opportunity to serve as the Public Information Officer of the Division Federation Supreme Secondary Learner Government of the Schools Division of San Jose del Monte. This seat did not only allow me to grow as a student leader, it also opened countless doors for us to turn our plans into actions and ideas into lasting impact. Through collective effort, we successfully accomplished 17 out of 21 planned projects, programs, and activities from RGPOA. Along the way, we held 15 SSLG formal and informal meetings and 7 engagements with stakeholders proving that collaboration and commitment remain at heart of effective leadership. Beyond our local initiatives, we proudly represented our school and the entire student body in 10 seminars and partnered activities with the Department of Education Region 3, the local government unit of San Jose del Monte, the Schools Division Office of San Jose del Monte, Multiply Ed, Samahan ng Kabataang Musueño, and many other organizations. These experiences reminded us that student leadership isn't confined to school grounds. It stretches out into the community, policymaking spaces, and into platforms where youth voices matter. We faced challenges, made sacrifices, and celebrated victories, all while carrying the hopes of our fellow learners. And though the titles we hold may change, the heart to serve, lead, and inspire should remain in each one of us. To my fellow SSLG officers, thank you for your unwavering dedication. To Ma'am Mara Danica Ramos, our SSLG advisor, and Ma'am Daisy Furong, our school head, thank you for your trust and guidance. And to every learner who believed in us, you are the reason we strive to do better. This has been Supreme Secondary Learner Government School Year 2024 to 2025, Batch SSLG. And this is Andre Rudolph Consea, Supreme Secondary Learner Government President of CD of San Jose del Monte National Science High School, serving with strength and unity and excellence and synergy. Tatak si Sansay.